Hello everyone, this is Piyush. Welcome to my channel. In the previous session, we have discussed why to use primary key. Today, we are going to have a brief discussion over declaring a primary key in the table practically. If you have not seen the reason why we should use primary key and foreign key, please refer to my previous videos. I will put the link in the description and the playlist description as well. So let's start, guys. Let me start SQL Server Management Studio. This is SQL Server Management Studio 2019, okay? And we are going to have brief discussion over declaring the foreign key in SQL Server. So now in the previous session, I have shown you how to declare a primary key. Today we will see another table which is I have done with orders, right? Customers, okay? Today we will see orders, okay? So let's go to orders table. Orders table have got ID, integer, primary key, order date, date time, order number, and varchar. Order number is n varchar 10, customer ID, total amount. Okay. So let's start. So I'm going to take a new query here. And I'm gonna go to demo database. So we already have customer table exists, guys. I will go to databases. I'll go to demo database. You can see the tables are here. Okay, customer. Now create table order. ID, integer, primary key, order, date, and varchar. So guys, we are going to discuss about identity 1,1. I'm going to tell you what is this. I have appended this in customer table as well. I'm going to showcase you what is identity 1,1 in the coming session. Order date, date time, order number, and varchar 10, customer ID, customer customer ID. It's a foreign key, referencing to which table? Referencing to customer table and ID column. Okay. So I have taken customer ID as a foreign key, referring to customer table and ID column. Okay. Customer ID. Next one is total amount decimal 12,2. Okay. It's an integer. That's why it is giving an error. Okay. Let me execute this, guys. This is going to give an error. Incorrect syntax near the keyword order. That means order have got some error here. So order is in which color, guys? It's in blue color. And all the other keywords which I have defined is in black color. So there are two color codes in our script, blue and black. So blue color are those keywords which are system defined, internal keywords of SQL Server. So remember one thing, SQL is getting confused here that we are using a keyword of SQL. In order to remove the confusion, we'll put square brackets before and after it. Okay. So now it will take it as a user defined keyword. Now I will select this code and I will click on execute. As soon as I will click on execute, this database got created. I will go to tables and refresh this table. You can see order table came here. So now we have got two tables, customer and order. Okay. So now we are going to go forward with other three tables as well. And we are going to go forward with the next table, which is order item. So guys, tell me one thing. If I am going to go with order item, what should be the sequence? So first sequence is not the order item third. First should be customer, second should be order, third should be supplier. Why? Because if I take order item is third, order ID and product ID both are foreign keys. Until I don't create product, I cannot refer it out here. Similarly, if I use product as a third, supply ID is a foreign key. Until I don't create supply, I cannot refer product there. So third should be supplier, fourth should be product, and fifth should be order item. Okay. I hope this is clear to everyone. We have to create those tables first which have got primary key, which are independent tables. Or we can have this sequence also: 1, 2, perhaps 3, 4, and 5. Or we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So it depends what you want to get into, what sequence you want to have. So I am going by the sequence. First should be customer, second should be order, third should be supplier, fourth should be product, fifth should be order item. Okay. So now we need to create supplier here. So I'm gonna go to supplier table here. I will copy this code, paste it here. Create table supplier, ID and identity primary key, company name, and varchar 40, and varchar 40, contact name, and varchar 50, then contact title, and varchar 40, city, and varchar 40, country, and varchar 40, phone and fax, and varchar 30. So it should be on the next line. Then fax and varchar 30. I will select this and execute it, guys. So now my supply table also got created. You can go in the Explorer. I will go to tables, refresh it. Supply table also got here. Okay. Now next one is product. So for product, I will copy this script. I will paste it here. I will change the name product. Okay. Now product name and varchar 50, and varchar 50, supplier ID integer. Now supplier ID integer, it's a foreign key, references supplier table ID column. So whenever you declare foreign key, you have to provide the reference, right? Supplier ID, okay. Unit price decimal 12, 2. I've told you what is decimal 12, 2. decimal. Total digits can be 12. 2 digits can be after the decimal. Okay. Package n varchar 30 is discontinued bit. I will execute the product table as well. I will go to Explorer, refresh the tables. Product table came as well here. Now the last table is there, order item. I'll copy this code. I will go down. I will go to order item, order ID, int, foreign key, references, order ID. Okay. Next one is product. Product ID, integer, references, product ID. It's a foreign key. Okay. Unit price decimal 12,2. Quantity integer. Okay. Let me execute this. Okay. Finally, we have got all the 5 tables created. Now, guys, we have got all the 5 tables created with primary key and foreign key assigned to them. And now we are going to have a brief discussion over DML commands, inserting the data into these tables, understanding all the script, and that we are going to do in our next session. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can get every update of my videos uploading every day. Okay. Thank you for your time. Thanks, guys.